Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another kind of design neck for your kurti. So to begin this project we need a canvas, a neckline canvas, interfacing, whatever you call it as, and contrasting color fabric. This is the main fabric and I'm going to use a patchwork with a black color, and I'm going to use this spaghetti stack for this. How to make this spaghetti stack or this cord, just click on the link that you see on the screen, or else you can check my previous video, and let's get started. For today's project I'm going to keep a U neckline. First measure the length of the shoulder, and from that I'm going to keep the depth of my neckline. So the depth of my neckline, what I'm going to keep now is going to be 5 inches, a quarter inch for joining the shoulder, so it's going to be 6 inches, and I'm going to curve this in nice and easy U, and I'm going to cut this out. So after cutting this U, you're going to trace the same in the canvas. So lift the fabric and insert the canvas. This is the folded canvas, so this is the folded edge, going to meet the folded edge of the kurti. So just place it like this. I'm going to draw the same neckline to the canvas. Take this out and just leaving a 1 inch all around. So just leaving 1 inch, I'm going to draw the curve to my neckline. So this is also depends upon you. If you want, you can leave 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, whatever you want. So today I'm going to take 1 inch all around and just give a mark like this. Okay, and I'm going to cut this out. Now you got the canvas. So after cutting this out, now I'm going to iron this canvas to the patchwork fabric that I have. So it can be a contrasting color, might be your chudidar color or your salwar color. So place it firm like this, and then with your ironing box you're going to iron this together. It has a glue on one side and it will be plain on another side. Make sure the glue side is pressed into the fabric and just iron this out. So you make sure you leave enough fabric on the sides. And now you can see it just stuck firmly to the fabric, and you can't even peel this out, and this is how it should look. And then leaving a quarter inch all around, you're going to cut this out. Okay, so towards the inside it's going to be the same measurements. You're going to cut exactly at the corner of the canvas, but towards the out sleeve a quarter inch, and you can just cut this out. So see, it doesn't need any kind of marking. Just like that you can just cut this out. Towards the inside, you're going to cut exactly at the point where the canvas ends. So I'm going to fold this and I'm going to put a top stitch, and I'm going to trim out the excess fabric, and we are going to attach this to the kurti. See how to do that. So fold the center of the neckline and just give a notch, and same like that you notch the center of the kurti. So the first thing is we are going to fold this in, and I'm going to put a top stitch all around. So this is going to be the wrong side of the fabric, and this is going to be the wrong side of the canvas facing up. So match the notches together and match the unsalvaged edge together, and I'm going to start sewing. So after sewing this together, just you put notches all around, so that gives a nice and easy turn to the fabric. So turn the canvas towards the pretty side of the fabric like this. This is the pretty side of the fabric, so I'm turning the canvas in like this. So after turning the neckline in, it's going to look like this. This is the wrong side of the fabric, and this is going to be the pretty side of the fabric. So now I'm going to cut my spaghetti strap in 2 inch in length. So keeping my measuring tape, I'm going to take 2 inch and I'm going to cut this. So I finished cutting all these 2 inch spaghetti straps. So now I'm going to attach this to my kurti. So after folding this in, I'm going to put a top stitch, and then I'm going to add my spaghetti strap. center line, and now I'm going to cut deep into this. Somewhat like this. So now I'm going to add these spaghetti stabs to my neckline. Just fold it like this. Make sure you can see this tiny hole in this, and so place it like this. So the folded edge should face your kurti, and the raw edge should meet the raw edge of your kurti. So when you're placing, just place 2 steps together. So now it's done. You can see how neat it is. You can see the folded edge of the spaghetti stab should be on the fabric. So all the raw edge should meet the raw edge of the fabric. So the next step is take a piece of fabric like this. So fold the top edge like this. Cut this in an angle, and I'm going to fold this fabric. See, when I'm folding this, you can see it just pops out like this, and just slightly pull this out. Okay. And same like that, you're going to attach a piece of fabric to the left side of the neckline. Like that, I'm going to place this by folding it at the top. I'm going to start sewing. This in an angle. Fold it once, and towards the raw edge of the fabric, somewhat like this. So it's going to have a nice and neat flap like this. Put a top stitch. Get into this point, just pull the fabric out and secure it like this. So the neckline came out really neat, classy and really decent. It doesn't have any kind of clumsy work. It is the perfect neckline, I think, for a perfect kurti. So you can see both the side is very neatly sewn, and if you want, you can add the hooks on this side, and you can add your eyes on this side. So, or else if you don't want this to be an open flap, you can just put a stitch on top. If you want to add button to this kind of neckline, sure, you can do that. So after making this neckline, at the center of each hole you're going to put a small dot marking the place for the button. So when I open this, you can see where I marked. So in each place you're going to sew the button, and you're going to wear it with the button too. That look really pretty, but I don't have button handy, so I just made it like this. I think this also looks really great. I just given a small idea, and so that you can try that too. These kind of necklines comes only in the ready-made kurtas or kurti, but today I showed you how to make this, so you also give a try to this neckline. And if you make one like, do post the pics in my Facebook page, and I'll be really happy to see what you learned from my video. And also, if you like this video, you can hit on the thumbs up button below, and do share this video to friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future video. And also you can join in my Facebook group to get the regular update. At the Facebook group, just check on the description box below and just click on the link and join to my Facebook group. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video.